out here with the Glock 43X. We got a, I don't know if it's 3x5 index card down there. We got it at 7 yards. First few shots out of this gun's going to be now. We'll see what happens. We got some steel plates. Maybe I'll paint them up and we'll shoot those too. We'll see what happens. Here we go. All right. I got one off to the side. Let me load it up with 5 more, and then I can shoot 10. And we'll see how many. I got one off the index card, which I don't think is horrible. I think it's pretty good. First shots out of it. Let's see what we could do. All right, got 5 more, and I'm going to try the index card again. Oh, we're smoking. They all went on there. Here, I'll tell you what. I'll walk on up to, I shot it 10 times, and the first string, I missed. Oh my God, it's fogging up. So humid out here. Took the thing out of the car. You can see where I missed the one there. All right, let me clean off the screen, and I'll go back over there. Maybe we'll shoot it some more. This time, there I am in there. Okay. This time I think I'm going to put a whole 10 in there. We'll see what happens. Still got the index card out there. See what happens. I'll load it up with 10. Maybe I might even edit this loading out stuff out, but we'll see what happens. Okay, we got 10 on the index card. Here we go. Well, shot 10 more times. Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out. Well, I don't think I missed it. I hit it right there in the bottom. That's still a hit. That's the one we had from before. Boy, we're smoking. We're smoking. All right, all right. We got that index card out there at 7 yards. We're going to see if we can hit with the Glock 43X. Here we go. All right. Let's check it out. Check it out. Five for five. 5 for 5. Let's load it up 5 more times and see what we could do. Okay. Still got that index card out there. Let's see if we can smoke them up. All right, I think I got 5 for 5 again. Let's see. Let's check it out. Check it out. Oh, some of you are going to say that when I ain't touching, but it touched. All right, all right. Okay, and like always, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And like always, if you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you like the video, hit like. Leave a comment too. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate you watching.